Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing something different. I'm going to be dyeing this $30 quick weave wig, which is like a pastel pink, into a silver color. And I'm going to be using different dyes. And this wig, as you see, has clips front and back. So this should be fun. Oh wow, look at that. And it still has the pink in there. So this is going to be cool. Yes, for the slow-mo. Ow. Hey, girl. Ooh, yes. Hey, I like this beat. I like this beat. Okay, so here's the supplies you'll need, and I'll actually have the items listed in the description below, so don't worry. I got you. Alright, so we're going to start with this boiling water in just some type of container that, you know, that's safe. And we're going to go ahead and start with the first dye, which is the door. It works really well with wigs, but I'm not really sure because this wig is synthetic if it's going to stick. So based off of that I'm showing, it seems like the dye is kind of old. So I don't really know if this is going to work. As you can see, it's kind of thick and clumpy, and it shouldn't be looking like that. But for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to go ahead and try it anyway to see if it will at least change the color of the wig. Alright, and then you're just going to cover it for 30 minutes. Hey, let's see if anything changed. No. Yeah, nothing at all. Yeah. All right, round 2, folks. So the next dye that we're going to use is, I believe, the RIT dye, which is used to dye fabrics. Like, I got it from the art store, and you can dye like wool or acrylics and other things. So we're going to try that and let it sit for 25 minutes. Ooh, look at that. Now that's really nice. It's super dark. I wonder if it actually sticks to the hair. No, it didn't. It's still pink. Oh my god, like what is going on? Like, okay, so this test obviously failed. Yeah, it's like a trick. It's not sticking. It looks like it's staying, but it's not. Yeah, I'm over it. Alright, so now we have RIT dye for synthetic. So I noticed that the last dye, it didn't say synthetic, it just said all purpose. So that might have been the reason why it didn't really turn the hair into the color. So now we're going to try this kind, and I'm going to mix 2 colors to get it to that nice silver, but not too dark. So I got the blue to kind of add that little hint of the brightness that I need. And you're just going to cover this for 25 minutes. And as you see, it's already working. So after that, I actually went back. I forgot to add the denim blue dye. So I went back after 25 and added a 1/4 of a cup. But either way. All right. So remember the last time how the hair looked? This time it actually changed. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and wash the hair. Yeah, now we're gonna use some intense conditioner. I'm not really a hairstylist, but it just felt like it was really dry. So adding intense conditioner kind of revived it back to its state. And then also using the shimmering lights will help keep the grays intact. All right, so I'm gonna lightly just blow dry it, kind of air dry it with low and cool air, and just lightly brush it, but not a lot. Just kind of graze it with the brush as you're drying it. And for the rest of the way, I will just let it air dry. It's just better that way. Alright, so let's do a full recap here. Didn't work. All-purpose dye, nope, didn't work. And then, yay, we actually have a winner. So I will definitely be using that more for my synthetic dyes. Well, thank you guys for watching my video, and I hope you learned a few things about how to dye synthetic hair. In the meantime, if you want to just enjoy this cool video that I put together of different ways to wear the hairstyle, and I'll see you guys for the next video coming soon. Thank you for watching.